Hey everyone, welcome to Neil's World, and today let me unbox the Galaxy S23. Now you can see that this package from Flipkart, it seems hollow. Let me open it up and see. You can see that there is nothing to protect the inner actual Galaxy S23 case box. Let us open this box. Let me first tear off this seal. I do not have a unboxing knife, so I'm using a screwdriver to remove the seal. So here let's try some Apple like unboxing experience. Yes, it has got some nice sound. That is the device, and this device, okay, here it is. Here is the device, and it is covered with some paper protection and a simple paper on top of the screen. So you can see that, yes, some ASMR. Okay, here's a pretty handy device, very nice to hold on your palm, and that's it. The device is there, and now let me see what is there in the box. Yeah, I forgot to tear off the other part in the box. Okay, and let me see what comes. I think there is not much to expect. There is not much to expect. No, the other side, yeah, there is this. We've got a paper cover, some paperwork, usual paperwork, pin ejector, SIM ejector pin, not pin ejector, SIM ejector pin is there, and you get this USB-C to USB-C cable. So these are the contents inside the Galaxy S23 box. There is not much to expect as usual. There is no charger included, but the device looks very sleek. It looks premium and it's nice to hold, and the size is very good. I have gone for it due to its size only. It's pretty handy to hold. Let me just boot it up quickly. Thank you very much. See you soon in my next video.